Hello students, in your English activity sheet, question 3rd, it reserved for poetry section. Your activity sheet carries 80 marks and question 3rd, which is reserved for poetry section, it carries 10 marks. It is divided into two parts. Question number 3rd A, poem for comprehension, it carries 5 marks, and question number B, appreciation of poem, it carries 5 marks, means total 10 marks. So today we have to see appreciation of poem. We have to maintain near about 8 points. First point is title. In this title you have to write the name of poem. Today we are studying about a poem named Basketful of Moonlight. So the poem is Basketful of Moonlight. Second point is poet. Who is poet or poetess of the particular poem? Basketful of Moonlight, it is written by Sunil Sharma, who is very renowned poet and his imagination is very high. In this poem, he shows simplicity of a small boy who lives in a village. So, the poem is written by Sunil Sharma. Third point is theme or central idea. What is the central idea of this poem? The central idea of this poem is very nice. It is filled with imagination. A small boy who is villager wants to sow the seeds of moonlight to remove the darkness of the path, because he wants his father will return as early as possible at his home. So the central idea is a small boy wants to sow the seeds of moonlight to remove the darkness from the path, which is used by his father as well as villagers. Fourth point is rhyme scheme. This poem is written by Sunil Sharma and this is written by him in a free verse. So there is no rhyme scheme. Even the lines are irregular. The poem is written in free verse. There is no rhyme scheme. Next point is figures of speech. The poet uses different types of figure of speech in this poem: alliteration, repetition, antithesis. Anti means opposite and thesis means ideas. Here example is, I want to light the dark route. Light and dark. These two opposite idea comes together in one line. So figure of speech is antithesis. Tautology. This figure of speech used by him. We have to see some examples. Alliteration. Give me moonlight. moonlight. Basket full or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. In these lines, B, 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 sound is repeated. Same sound is repeated in the same line. That's why figure of speech is alliteration. Second example is a repetition. I want to show many small moons of light. In these lines, small, these two same words used in the same line. So the figure of speech is repetition. When two same words repeated in the same line, figure of speech is repetition. Next point is spatial features. Special features of this poem is, this is written in free verse, there is no rhyme scheme, and the imagination in this poem, it is very high, and the lines are irregular. So we can write here, the imagination of a small boy, it is very beautiful. The poem is written in free verse. Next point is favorite line or lines. You have to write your favorite lines from the poem. My favorite lines are, "Oh moon, give me moonlight, basket full or two baskets full, with seeds of moonlight." And last point is why I like or dislike poem. Why I like, dislikes the poem. This is the last point. In this point, you should give positive answer. You should show your positivity for this poem. I like this poem because here the poet wants to describe the innocent nature of a child. He wants to meet his father as early as possible, and he wants to sow the seeds of moonlight at the sides of path. And that's why I like this poem. I like this poem because it is full with simplicity. It shows love and care for his father. So, We have to cover 8 points in this, and here we studied here appreciation of the poem, and the poem's name is Basketful of Moonlight. It is written by Sunil Sharma. Thanks for watching.